Short overview video introduce or buyer's reviews of SinyaElek Air Fryer, 5 quart 1500W Electric Cooker Oven Dehydrator, 6 cooking presets with LED digital display touch screen. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. SinyaElek Air Fryer enables cooking a lot more easier with its 6 preset cooking options on the LED touch screen. The LED touch screen also allows you to set temperature and time according to your own cooking needs, while a recipe booklet is also provided for reference. You can escape the scare of oily food now with SinyaElek Air Fryer. The air frying technology helps you reduce unnecessary fat by at least 80% without sacrificing flavor of your fried food. SinyaElek Air Fryer comes with power of 1500 watt, which enables food to be cooked a lot more faster and therefore save your time. Put the food in and what you'll need to do is so simple. SinyaElek Air Fryer has a function of auto shut-off that prevents overheating. One thing to note here, during cooking, it shuts off when you pull out the basket and it'll come back to working immediately after you put the basket back in. SinyaElek 5 quart air fryer serves 3 to about 5 people, which is enough for family and small home party use. The modern exterior product design is attractive and space-saving, while the basket is easy to wash and clean. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.